what is up? Welcome back to my channel, GlamBySam. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. So I hope the lighting is going to be decent in this video. It's actually like pretty gray and rainy outside, so that's kind of sad because that doesn't usually give the best lighting. But I'm hoping you guys don't mind as much because I did want to get this video up because today's video will be a Mother's Day gift guide. It's currently Saturday and next week Sunday it's Mother's Day, so I thought it'd be fun to upload like a gift guide. Of course it's up to everyone whether they give a gift and how much it can cost, but I thought it would be fun to share some things with you guys in this video that my mom loves, and maybe you can get some inspiration from it. So if you're curious about this gift guide, then please keep on watching. So the first idea I have for you is perfume, and my mom loves perfumes, and I think like most women do. So there's pretty much a perfume for everyone, so there's probably one for your mom as well. My mom loves Olivier Bell, she loves Marc Jacobs. There's pretty much a perfume for everyone, and there's of course a really classic one, which is this one. This is the Chanel No. 5, and my mom loves this. She like usually wears it on like more special occasions because it is a quite strong perfume. But I do think that many moms will actually like this perfume just because it's such a classic and like a staple. And you guys, how pretty is this bottle? It's absolutely gorgeous. So this is of course a very pricey gift, but you don't have to give a Chanel. Like there's many other perfumes out there that are actually like really affordable. And it doesn't have to cost as much as this, but if you do want to like give your mom something that she really loves and you do want to spend like quite a lot of money on it, then I do recommend this perfume. It is a little bit like strong, so that's something to keep in mind. But there's many other perfumes out there, like Lancôme is a really good brand. There's Dior. So right here I have the Miss Dior, which I know my mom loves and I think a lot of people do. This one is much more fresh and sweet than the Chanel one, so this is much more for like everyday wear. I do love this. It's such a nice perfume. And how cute is this bottle? So my second idea, if your mom is into skincare, I recommend giving like a nice serum or something. So there's many like high-end serums that are actually so lovely. Like my mom's favorite is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair, and then she also loves Lancôme Advanced Genifique. So those are two serums that she loves. They're like anti-age as well. So those are usually very loved by mothers, and I know like my mom loves them. So of course these are quite pricey, but there are more affordable options out there. These are just my mom's like favorites ever, so I didn't want to share them with you guys in case you want to spend a little more. But the serum is always nice, I think, because most women love skincare and I just think it's a great idea. So my next idea is a lipstick. So again, if your mom's into makeup, she will probably love this. And my mom's favorite lipsticks are from Charlotte Tilbury and then Bobbi Brown. So there's actually this one from Bobbi Brown, which is like the gold packaging. They're the like luxe lip colors and they're so pretty. I have mine in the shade Pink Buff and I'm wearing that right now. It's super pretty, but my mom actually has this as well. She had it before me and it was so pretty, so I wanted it as well. But this is like a really lovely lipstick and it's kind of like more like high-end, which is nice. And then also the Charlotte Tilbury ones are so lovely. Especially she loves Pillow Talk. It's such a like classic favorite lipstick that pretty much will look good on anyone. There's also one for like medium complexion and darker one, I believe, so that's nice. So the next is probably a much more affordable gift, but that is flowers. Like which woman doesn't love flowers? I think everyone does. And you can get like flowers for inside the house now that everyone's probably at home. I mean, it's nice to have some nice flowers to look at, or you can get one for like in your garden if you have a garden. So that's always a nice gift, and that's pretty much one I give to my mom every single year for Mother's Day. Then my next gift idea is a personalized mug. So that is pretty fun. I mean, if your mom loves to drink coffee or tea, like how cool is it if she can like drink it from like a customized mugs? I gave one to my boyfriend for his birthday and I once gave my dad one for Father's Day. So it's just a really like unique and personalized gift, which I think is why they love it so much. You can put a picture of you two together on there, and I think it's such a cute gift, and it's definitely not expensive at all. Like I think you can get like a mug like that for like 10 euros, so it's definitely a great gift if you don't want to spend too much, but if you do want to still get like a loving gift that's like personalized and really you. The next is jewelry. How nice is it to give like a lovely necklace or a bracelet or some earrings? I'm personally not a jewelry person. Like I don't have like the most knowledge of this, but I do know there are some pretty nice ones out there. and there's also like more affordable ones. If she never wears jewelry, then it's probably not the best gift, but if she does, then it's, I think, a lovely gift. Next is a lovely book. So, I mean, my mom loves reading personally, and I know like a lot of moms do, but if your mom is not into that, then you can skip this idea. But like, if your mom loves reading, like how nice is it to like pick out a lovely book that you think she will like? I mean, I recommend like going on a bookstore website and just checking the things out and see which one your mom will probably like. And I know my mom loves reading them, so it will definitely be a nice gift for her, and I know it will probably be a nice gift for most women. And then if you're really like into DIYs and like are really craftsy, another thing to do is like make a recipe book for your mom. So if your mom loves cooking or like baking, like how nice is it to combine all her favorite recipes in like one book that you created? I made one of these for my mom like many years ago when I was younger, and I wrote all the recipes out on like paper and then like combined them in a book. I mean, it's really personalized. You have her favorite recipes and it doesn't have to cost money at all. If you write it yourself, you can probably also print it somewhere, and that will like cost a little money, so that's definitely a nice gift too. Okay guys, and this is it for my Mother's Day gift guide. I really hope you enjoyed the video and find it helpful. Let me know if you are celebrating Mother's Day and if you already have a lovely gift for your mom, and I would love to hear what you guys are gifting your mom if you're gifting her something. So if you did enjoy this video, I would love it if you gave the thumbs up, and don't forget you can also subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell if you want to see more of my videos. I want to thank you guys all so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day, and I really hope to see you in my next video. Bye!